What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video, and today I want to show you guys why Rage Bait has gone too far. If you've been recently living under a rock, Rage Bait is basically where you make somebody mad, and it's usually supposed to be funny, but in recent days, it has just gone way too far. With people fake exposing each other, and also laughing about people's dead family members. I can show some clips of that right now.